Hey guys, I'm Arfan and today we are hitting our very own college Jain deemed to be university to really know what they think about Bangalore. Let's jump in.
I'm Smarta.
I'm Nirbikar.
Hi, I'm Shreya.
My name is Brahmarshi
My name is Nishi. I'm from Odisha.
from Kolkata.
I'm from Odisha.
I'm from Raipur, Chhattisgarh.
I'm actually from West Bengal. I mean, I expected to live a faster life than I was living in Kolkata, but then the traffic slowed me down real quick. So yeah.
That's sad. How about you?
Odisha is a very conserved and like a very slow city. And coming to Bangalore, I've noticed things just got very fast, very quick. Like I do not get to spend time with myself, and yeah, that's about it.
So I had no expectations because I moved here very suddenly, but my expectations have been like beyond everything. Like I've had, it's been 2+ years since I'm in Bangalore. I've had a great experience, including the people, the weather, everything.
I mean, before that, like lots of friends told me that weather is also nice and there's lots of variety of foods, lots of people. So as I expect, I came here, I met lots of people, and like throughout the months, it's been like 7 months I've been here. So I feel like it's going pretty good.
Food, obviously, it's home food, and I'm very acquainted with Odia food, so that's very comfortable. But I don't have a huge issue with the whole South Indian cuisine and palate. I love it as well.
Going over my expectation because it has lots of varieties. Although it's kind of expensive, but it's worth it, I would say.
I have a South Indian touch in my roots, so here it's very comforting for me to eat. I've never faced any problem while eating.
And I'm from Bengal, and the food there is incredible. It's not Bangalore food is nothing compared to that, but it's good. It's good. It's fine.
How about you?
Me personally, I'm also a fan of food from Odisha, but you know, I like Madhur Vada and ghee roast dosa. I is the best.
It's very comforting. I always feel like I always want to sleep. It's that good. But the best part about moving to Bangalore has been the weather. From Kolkata, I had a very bad allergy issue. The temperature there, the weather there was not that great for me. For here, I have totally healed, and I find it really nice and comforting. Yeah.
The weather in Odisha was very harsh and humid. Coming to Bangalore, I love this weather. I've gotten so comfortable. When I go back, I sweat a lot, and I miss Bangalore for the weather only.
And weather, Bhubaneswar, it gets very hot in summers and there's no winters. But I'm a fan of cold weather. I can only thrive in cold weather. So I think Bangalore is much better for me.
It's very comforting. Honestly, I love Bangalore ka weather because coming from Raipur, it's always humid, nothing. Either humid, either whole winter. But Bangalore, it's very soothing and comforting.
I definitely think, like, I know like a lot of North Indians have had a very different experience. But even though I don't know Kannada, I don't know the language here, but I have never felt not welcomed or anything. I have always been welcomed into the city and into wherever, even if it's the auto drivers, I've never had a problem communicating with them in Hindi or English. So I've felt welcome here.
Okay, to be very honest, it is mixed. Okay, there is a community that is very welcoming, very friendly. There are some people who have just been exposed to racism, but it's fine. It's overall it's nice. Yeah.
Yeah, people are friendly. For the most times, they are. There was this incident where we were about to miss our bus, but the bus driver could not speak in English or Hindi. So we just went up to a local and asked them to help us out, and they did. And we would have missed the bus if they wouldn't have. So I'm very grateful for that.
And that's a wrap up for our Bangalore Vox Pop. Stay tuned for more college diaries. Thanks for watching. This is Arfan signing off.